students, how are you all? This is grade 3, your English grammar book, page number 30, chapter number 7, noun possession. Nouns possession. Let's see what are these, what is the meaning of nouns possession. So the teacher asked Rita and Shreya to write home the following things belong to. This is what they wrote, Rita and Shreya. Rita wrote wings of the birds, shoes of the girls, shawl of grandmother, the bird's wings, the girl's shoes, grandma's shawl. ठीक है, grandmother's shawl. Rules of usage of apostrophe. So what is the meaning of possession? Possession is something which shows the possession of somebody, that something is owned by someone. Okay, if I say that something belongs to me, that is also a possession. Okay, if this is my pencil, so this pencil shows the possession that it belongs to me. This pencil belongs to me. मेरी कोई चीज़ होती है तो उस चीज़ को possession कहते हैं. ठीक है, किसी की कोई चीज़ होना, किसी की कोई possession होना, ownership होना, that is all called possession. How do we show the possession in the sentences? With the help of apostrophe. What is an apostrophe? A comma which is used at the upside. Okay, at the upside after the word, and this is called an apostrophe. This is called an apostrophe. Okay, this is not a comma. I just gave you the example. It looks like a comma, but the comma comes here at the downside, but the apostrophe come at the upside. Okay, so this is called an apostrophe. So there are basically 3 rules of using apostrophe, students. A, B and C rules are given in your book. So we can go through this. Let's see. We add an apostrophe and S. Apostrophe and S. Okay, these two things come together in a sentence to show the possession. Okay, apostrophe and S after a noun to show possession, or that there is a connection between the two nouns. The nest of the birds becomes the bird's nest. The bone of the dog becomes the dog's bone. The bat of the boy becomes the boy's bat. So this is how we can show the possession. The word and apostrophe S. The word and then apostrophe S. The noun and the apostrophe S. Word and noun both are the same thing. We use an apostrophe after plural noun that when we want to show that something belongs to more than one person. Okay, the girls, if there is one S at the end in the noun. Okay, अगर noun में हमारे पास S already होगा end में in plural form में, so we don't have to add another S. एक word में सिर्फ एक ही S use किया जा सकता है. Okay, if already the S is coming in the word at the end, so don't have to add apostrophe S. You have to just write apostrophe. Okay, अगर last में already S आ रहा है तो आपको सिर्फ apostrophe लगानी है, उसके बाद S का use नहीं करना है. You actually never use. Okay, so the girls apostrophe shoes are in the cupboard. Here the plural noun of girl ends in S. This means the shoes in the cupboard belongs to more than one girl. Some more examples: the teacher's room, the duck's egg, the horse's stable. This is how we can use the apostrophe with the plurals. However, when we write the girl's shoes in the cupboard, it means that the shoes in the cupboard belong to one girl. When a plural noun does not end in S, we have to add apostrophe S it to show possession. If there are some plural words ना which do not end with S, कुछ plural nouns भी ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें S से वो words complete नहीं होते हैं, end नहीं होते हैं, तो वहाँ पर we can use apostrophe S. Always remember that we can use apostrophe S. ओके, एस जो है हमेशा एक ही रहेगा, अदरवाइज एस विल नॉट कम इन 2 places. ठीक है, एस 2 जगह एक साथ नहीं आ सकता. द मेन्स टीचर, द चिल्ड्रंस बुक. Here men and children are plural. So this is all about in your chapter 7 possession. So now you have to try to complete these exercises in your book only, students. Exercise A, B and C, 3 exercises total given. So complete your work and have a nice day.